Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set an out-of-office auto-reply in Gmail. Whether you're heading on vacation, taking time off, or simply need to disconnect for a bit, this feature ensures anyone who emails you receives an automatic response letting them know you're away and when you'll be back. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. This step is essential as you'll need full access to your account settings to configure the auto-reply feature. After you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your Gmail page and click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This icon is your gateway to customizing how Gmail works for you. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select See All Settings to open the Complete Settings interface, where you can make deeper adjustments. You'll now be in the Settings menu, and you should already be on the General tab by default. Scroll down through the options until you reach the Vacation Responder section. This is where Gmail houses all the controls for your out-of-office replies. Click the radio button next to Vacation Responder on to enable the feature. Next, enter the first day you want your auto-reply to activate in the First Day field. Gmail will start sending automatic responses from this date forward. If you know exactly when you'll return, check the box for last day and enter that date as well. This ensures your auto-reply stops automatically when you're back, so you don't have to remember to turn it off manually. Now it's time to craft your message. In the subject field, type something clear and direct like out of office or away until date, so recipients immediately understand the nature of your reply. Then move to the message field and write your actual auto-reply. Include a polite greeting, mention why you're away, or simply that you're unavailable, your expected return date, and any alternative contact information if someone needs urgent assistance. If you prefer to limit who receives your auto-reply, check the box that says Send responses only to people in my contacts. This prevents your message from going to every random sender and keeps things more professional. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Your out-of-office auto-reply is now active and will notify anyone who emails you during your set time frame. Thanks for watching.